All right, guys, this video, we're going to talk about the connection from 2D shapes to 3D shapes. And the aim will be for you to have an understanding of how to find the volume of a 3D shape once it's finished. So we've got our 2D shape here, okay, and I think I just want to, so D stands for dimension. And if we talk about the dimensions of a shape, we've got its width and its height or its length. Now you'll notice when you're working on the worksheets, these dimensions are referred to as height or depth or breadth or width or length, is all these different things. But essentially it doesn't matter because we're doing multiplication. We know that 3 times 5 and 5 times 3 are the same result. It doesn't matter the order that you do them in. So having said that, this is one dimension across the top, and then this is another dimension. So it's got 2 dimensions. It's a 2D shape. It's a flat object. When we talk about 3 dimensions, we've got the 2 dimensions here, which you can see now, okay, across the top and then down the side, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters. But there's a 3rd dimension, and that's its depth, how deep it goes, okay? So that's the connection between the 2 dimensions. So let's just do some work here. So this is 3 centimeters across and 5 centimeters down. You can see that I've used my ruler to measure those, 3 times 5. And we know that 3 times 5 equals 15. And I've got the proof here because I've actually drawn the grid into it. So 5 groups of 3, and this is like an array, which you might remember from organising counters. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. And I've got the proof there. So there is centimetres squared, and that is my answer. So that's the 2D shape. And then when we're talking about a 3D shape, we're essentially doing the same thing, except we're adding another multiplication. Okay, we're multiplying it by another thing. So I'm just going to give you like 2 seconds to have a think about that. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. And I can see, I know it's dark green, but I can see the 6 squares there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, so I know it's 6, and that's the 2D area of this shape. And now I've got its depth. So just with the ruler, it is 6 centimeters. Okay, I've noticed I've started at 0. It's 6 centimeters. So the 6 times the 6 is 36 centimeters cubed. Okay, and there's 1 centimeter cubed, so it's 36 of them. And when I hold it like that, I start to go, oh yeah, that makes sense because there's 6 there and 6 and so on and so on. So that is the connection between 2D and 3D. I'm just going to write it down. So that would be 2 times 3 times 6, which is 2 times 3 is 6, times 6 is 36 centimeters, and I need the 3 to show cubed. And interestingly, when we're doing 2D, it's centimeters squared, so the 2 matches the 2 there. When we're doing 3D, the 3 dimensions, the 3 matches the cubed here, so the 3 and the 3. So there's a really strong connection between them. Good luck with all that.